Hold up.
Everyone, welcome back to today's video. So you'll notice some changes that occurred, like this fire extinguisher and the sign for it, but today we'll be changing this plug socket because it's got a crack in it, and we'll actually be upgrading it in a way to one of these three-way USB ones, so people can basically put their whatever they want in, plug their laptops in there and then charge their phones and then just bring it down onto this bench that I put up. So yeah, let's start by turning the power off. I need to be putting it on, but so plugs. That'll be them gone on. We can test by turning this on. Yep, they're off. So let's get into the time lapse of us replacing this. There's one quick thing that I think I'd like to just share. So I kind of actually prefer this one that's been provided by Lap, because with this old one, as you can see, you have to put like live here, then stretch your cable out neutral there and earth there. But this one, this new one, they're all just pretty much in one place, like live, neutral, earth and earth. So it kind of makes it a lot easier when they're all together. That's what I kind of like about these Schindler ones as well. You'll find that with them ones, I've only got 2 Schindler sockets at the minute, but you'll find that most of the stuff in here is now Schindler or Lap. Lap if it's a USB one, but you know, this one's probably going to be the only USB one. So yeah, that's all the cabling. But so yeah, I might put a bit of extra earth on that soon. But yeah, so let's get back into installing this. I just thought I'd share that with you. You guys can see it's now installed. It looks a lot better than the old one, which is just in the bag for now. So let's go ahead and turn the power back on. And nothing's exploded, so you know that's good, it's not getting warm. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Everything's just come back on now, so I don't have anything to plug into it to test it really. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. And yeah, I don't know what we'll be doing next video, but I know along the lines of putting a plug socket up here somewhere and putting another circuit in that. That's when I get some wire from Screwfix. So yeah, it might even be actually changing these emergency lights out to some LED ones, but that's when I can get some money to get them. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I've already said that enough. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.